My name is Rey Marquez. I'm the General Maintenance Manager at the Doron Company in Missouri. We have a 40-mile stretch of mines. We have 5 underground mines and 4 process plants. And I'm in charge of the maintenance for all 9 facilities. To get a black belt, you have to do 5 projects, 1 project in each domain, and you have 3 years to do it. Well, for me, it took every bit of 3 years. It's been rough. It's been a tough journey for me because I've worked for companies that really don't get reliability. Yes, they want reliability, but they think it's something you can go buy off the shelf and put it, and like a magic wand, everything's great. We've improved. Doesn't work that way. When I looked at my projects, I refer back to the questions that you asked, and it gave me an opportunity to ask myself, what are they really asking? So what I did is I took a deeper dive into each project. And what that allowed was for me to find 2 or 3 more things or situations that I could improve that otherwise I wouldn't have recognized. Well, obviously the long-term reward is receiving your black belt. But why? Why do you want a black belt? So when I did my first project, it was a defects elimination project. So it changed my mentality of, okay, yes, eventually I'll get a black belt, but that's not the purpose. The purpose is of improving the process where I work and getting people, other people, educated in reliability and also in how do we change the way we do our business, meaning how do we change maintenance. So that's the biggest reward, is in getting people involved, getting them enrolled in the reliability journey, and seeing that it's a journey that will never end. It just gets better and better and better.